Acequia del Llano. 1. The word acequia is derived from the Arabic acequia, water conduit, and refers to an irrigation ditch that transports water from a river to farms and fields, as well as the association of members connected to it. Blossoming peach trees. To the west, steel buildings glint above the mesa. In Santa Fe, New Mexico, the Acequia del Llano is 1.5 miles long and begins at Nichols Reservoir Dam. At the bottom of the dam, an outlet structure and flow meter control water that runs through a 4-inch pipe at up to 150 gallons per minute. The water runs along a hillside and eventually drops into the Santa Fe River. 15 families and 2 organizations belong to this ditch association, and the Acequia irrigates about 30 acres of gardens and orchards. In the ditch, water flowing, now an eagle feather wind. 2. Yarrow, rabbit brush, claret cup cactus, 1C juniper, Douglas fir, and scarlet penstemon are some of the plants in this environment. Endangered and threatened species include the southwestern willow flycatcher, the least tern, the violet-crowned hummingbird, the American martin, and the white-tailed ptarmigan. Turning my flashlight behind me, I see a large buck 3 feet away. Each April, all of the members come or hire workers who come to do the annual spring cleaning. This involves walking the length of the ditch using shovels and clippers to clear branches, silt, and other debris. Twigs, pine needles, plastic bags, cleared today before moonrise. 3. The Ditch Association is organized with a mayordomo, ditch manager, who oversees the distribution of water according to each parciente's, holder of water rights, allotment. The acequia runs at a higher elevation than all of the land held by the parcientes, so the flow of water is gravity-fed. Crisscrossing the ditch, avoiding cholla, I snag my hair on branches. Each year, the irrigation season runs from about April 15th to October 15th. On Thursdays and Sundays at 5:30 a.m., I get up and walk about 1/4 mile uphill to the ditch and drop a metal gate into it. When the water level rises, water goes through screens, then down 2 pipes and runs below to irrigate grass, lilacs, trees, and an orchard. Across the valley, 10 lights glimmer from hillside houses. 4. Orion and other constellations of stars stand out at that hour. As it moves toward summer, the constellations shift, and by July 1st, when I walk uphill, I walk in early daylight. By mid-September, I again go uphill in the dark and listen for coyote and deer in between the piñons and junipers. One by one, we light candles on leaves, let them go flickering downstream. The Ganges River is 1,560 miles long. The Rio Grande is 1,896 miles long. It periodically dries up, but when it runs its full length, it runs from its headwaters in the mountains of southern Colorado into the Gulf of Mexico. Water from the Santa Fe River runs into the Rio Grande. Water from the Acequia del Llano runs into the Santa Fe River. From a length of 100 paces along the acequia, I draw our allotment of water. Here, I pull a translucent cactus spine out of your hand.